What is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Moto80 here with another video, and today I wanted to talk about the SW-MOTECH Pro Blaze saddlebags. Now, ultimately, the main reason why I bought this over everything else was because of this right here. Yep. So this essentially allows me to pull this out, retaining a clean look. Now, unlike all the other bags in the market, side cases, what have you, they all require you to install like a mounting bracket right here, like on the frame. And for the most part, it's permanent. Now, obviously, you could take it off if you wanted to. You would have to just unbolt everything, and that's just too much hassle. Whereas this, you simply just click that, pull everything out. Let me demonstrate. Okay, so let's do this. What's keeping it in place is just this clip right here. So if I were to remove this clip, boom, and just gotta slide it out. Easy. Same with the other side. Remove the clip. Oh, it's already removed. Uh-oh. Just take that off. Okay, we're almost done. Unclip this guy and unclip this right here. Now you have a clean looking bike. There they are, side by side. And to make life easier, they included these straps where you can secure together your Velcro. And voila, now you have a little handle. Now on to my likes and dislikes. First of all, I love this thing. Makes it so much more practical to ride. Now that I have storage, I don't have to carry things in my backpack. It has a total of 40 liters capacity. When it's compressed like this is about 15 liters. This contains 20 liters. So what I could do is extend this part out and I would have 40 liters of storage space. You unzip this. There you go. And voila. And down here, you have this zipper. You could probably fit your wallet in here or maybe your registration. And plus it has these little pockets where you could stick the zipper in so that it's nice and flush. It's clean. You don't have any dangling zippers. Same with this guy. It comes with a little pocket right there as well. And the zipper is nicely tucked away. I wouldn't say it's waterproof, but it is water resistant according to the website. I haven't tested it. It's a pretty thick material. I believe it's made out of nylon. And then here, let me go ahead and open this. So here I went and did some shopping. It's pretty spacious, 20 liters. So it's a good amount of space. As I mentioned earlier, it's water resistant, and it also comes with these water resistant bags, if I could find them, right here. Obviously, I have yet to use them, but these are basically bags, a water resistant bag that you could put your stuff inside and keep it dry, I guess, if you're riding in the rain. It comes with two bags. Let me find the other bag. There you go. Now, my biggest gripe with this is the fact that it's so easy to remove, meaning you can't leave it out for too long. If you're going to the grocery store and you're in and out within 20 minutes, sure. But if you're staying anywhere for over an hour, I would not leave them on the bike. Because really all it takes is less than a minute to remove all this, right? If they know what they're doing. Also, another thing, this does not have any locking mechanisms. It's just a zipper. And so all I did was buy like a TSA lock, loop it in through here and lock it like so. And that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw here and you want to see more, be sure to hit that like button down below and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.